Hey there, welcome to the show. This is How to Make Dinner. I'm Paula, and I'm about to show you how to make this very delicious peach salami and cheese sandwich. It's so good and so juicy. So stick around. I have a beautiful baguette, peaches straight off the tree, some leafy greens. I've got this mosh, which is also known as lamb's lettuce, but you can use arugula or even just regular lettuce or spinach. I've got some salami. This is a Lyonnaise style kind of French salami, and it's kind of mild and sweet. I also have some creamy cheese. You can use brie, you can use camembert, you can use really anything that's kind of very silky and creamy. And I have a little bit of honey and some olive oil. First step is to cut the bread. So for this size baguette, I'd say I could get probably 3 sandwiches out of this. I'm gonna eat the ends as a snack. Onto the bread, I'm going to drizzle just a touch of olive oil. You can use butter, just to kind of give it a little moisture. And then the cheese. It's good cheese. So cheese goes on one side, and then on the other side, I'm gonna put my salami. And then a few nice slices of peach. You might want to cut your peaches thin so that they kind of lie nicely in the sandwich, but something about biting into the big juicy piece of peach I really like. I love. Once you've got the olive oil, the cheese on one side, and the salami and the peaches on the other side, I'm just going to put this into the oven under the broiler for about 5 minutes until things get really melty and roasty and toasty. Look at all my peaches. Why do I have all these peaches? Well, we found an abandoned peach grove the other day, and there's so many peaches there, so we just need to use them. And they're all different levels of ripeness, but even the ones that aren't that ripe yet are still really sweet. They're delish. And I love sweet with savory, so I'm a big fan of the salty salami next to the sweet peaches and creamy cheese and a couple more little surprises that are coming soon. Right around the corner. The corners of the salami are starting to get a little bit crispy, and I can see a little bit of juice peeking out of the peaches. Here it is in all its cheesy salami peachy glory. All that's left to do now is finish this guy off. Take a little bit of runny honey and give it a really good drizzle. I like to put it over the cheese because the cheese is really salty. I mean, a little bit of honey is a little bit of an understatement. And then just finish with your green stuff. Not too much. You want to kind of keep a nice balance of all the ingredients here. And then close it up. Oh, look at that. Very hot. Just gonna cut into it now. There you have it. A delicious peach salami cheese sandwich. Oh my God. It's better than I thought it was gonna be. This sandwich, the peaches are like so juicy and sweet. And the honey is just right to help balance the salami and the cheese. And a little bit of green stuff to make you feel like you're not just eating a really unhealthy thing. Delish. If it's not summertime right now and you don't have access to good peaches, you can totally still make this sandwich or something really similar by using pears, especially if you have some really, really ripe Bosc pears. They have an extra silky texture and they're just really nice. So you can make this exact same sandwich with pears, which is awesome. And I think that's it. So I hope you're enjoying your summer. Go pick some peaches if they're nearby where you're living and make this sandwich because it's super delightful. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you like cooking videos like this, because I make them all the time.